puppy. Hey guys! So this week is exciting because we get to talk about our babies, and I think the other girls only have one pet each, but I have 3 cats and a dog. Some say 3 cats is a lot, but I love cats, and I almost came home with one yesterday. Start with oldest. This one is Percy. He is 17. I've had him since I was 5. He's the coolest cat. He has 5 toes. Then we have Abby, who is 12. And we call her Princess because we used to have to put their food on the dryer so that my old dog couldn't get at it. And she refused to jump up. She would make you like pick her up and put her on there. So we started calling her Princess. We also call her Fatty because she's huge, but she's like lovable huge. I love fat cats. Then there's Henry, the baby. He's a troublemaker. And then there's the baby, my dog Kenzie. She's 2. High five. Good girl. I'm one of those people who talk to their animals like in high-pitched baby voices, and I actually carry on conversations with them. Like, I'll ask them how their day was, if they killed any rodents today. They never answer back. So that's it for me this week, and Steph, I will see you in Muffin tomorrow.